Hello and welcome to this video. This is part 2 of the series of Introduction to Command Line Scripting. We already learned about navigating through the directories. Now we will learn how to create new directories and new files and work in the directories. First we will open the terminal, Control Alt T. This will open the terminal. Let's look at the directory, the files in the directory, and you see these are the files. Let's create a new directory that we want to work in. So how to make a new directory? So just type mkdir and name of the new directory that you want to make, and this test directory, let's choose another name for this directory. Let's choose test1. So we have this test1 directory that we're gonna work in. So let's look at the files. So we're seeing that we have this test1 file with us. So let's get into the files. Let's get into this directory /test1. So we are in the test1 directory. So let's see ls, and it contains no file. Let's clear the terminal to clear out the unnecessary things in the terminal. So as you saw, we had no, let's see it again, nothing in this directory. So let's create something in this directory. Suppose a text file in this directory. So to create a file, you just have to type touch my first text .txt. So now look at this. We have our text file. We have our text file now. So let us do something to edit this text file so that we can work on it. To create to edit this, we can use nano or vim. I'm using nano because that's what I have, nano, and the name of the file my text, and it will open the editor, and we will just like good boy. Let's save it, Control S. Actually it saves it, and let's exit, Control X to exit, and let's look at the file as per se. Just type the cat command to look at the files. Just press the tab and it will automatically pick up the text file. So it shows us the text that we already typed. So we have our text file. So suppose you're not happy with this text file. So what will you do? We will remove this text file, and let's look at it. It just got removed. Obviously it doesn't ask for permission like Windows. Do you want to really delete it? But it just deletes. So just make sure that you let's create a file again that we want to use it to edit. Touch my second text dot txt. Let's see, and we have our text file. We have the file. Let's edit it again. Just press the tab and it will open this editor. Let's start this again. I'm typing out of context things that it must not be awkward for you, I think. We just type Control X and we exit this, and let's look at the file again, and it shows the text. Let's see, we want this text file into the previous directory. So what should we do? So we'll see, copy this file name, press the tab, and just give the path. So I'm giving the complete path /sun, and what it will do, it will copy from this location to the path I gave. So let's go to the home subdirectory and let's change it to home sun. So let's look at the directory. Let's look at the file. If we have the my second text file, you'll see there's my second text file, and suppose let's create another file and we completely move the file. We move the file rather than just copying it. Let's do it. Let's create a file. So how do we create a file? We use the touch command. Now after using the touch command, just type the file name like my third text dot txt, and it creates the text file again, and let's move it to that another directory. And MV, obviously MV stands for move. Name of the file, my third. It automatically, just press the tab, it will automatically pick up the file and give it the location. Dot represents the home directory, and obviously /home is the home directory, and it just type the path. We created the test1 directory for it, and we move it to that location. So we have our location, and let's go to the location cd /test1, and we that location. Now we have two files, and they are my second text and my third text, and the previous. Let's go to the previous. To go to the previous directory, you can just press cd --, and we'll go to the previous directory, and that is a very handy tool. So let's look at that, and you'll notice that the my third text is gone. There is no my third text because we moved it to test1, and that is a very handy tool, and it's a shortcut that you can use. Thank you. This is end to this video, and I hope things are clear.